It is a pleasure to see you again on my CryptoQ Media channel. American investors will be swamped this week. According to all indications, this week will be the most consequential one this year. As investors, we should closely monitor the economy, the wording used to announce interest rate decreases by the Federal Reserve, and any changes to these policies. Having said that, the men in the video are eager to talk about that and, more significantly, anything else related to Ripple and XRP. Sharing the video is as easy as clicking the like button or dropping an X. You're all set. Disseminate the truth about the digital revolution so that everyone knows it. Compared to the prior week, we had a fantastic week last week, increasing by 11.4% and surpassing 11%. The day's value is 58 cents. I'll fill you in on the technical indicators, messages and the locations of the resistance levels we need to break soon. The first official US XRP trust was opened by Monochrome, but I had a nice little week after that. A significant development for the cryptocurrencies future is the possibility of authorized and institutional investors gaining direct access to XRP. The initial official XRP trust was unveiled following the Grayscale announcement. What came after that with a phenomenal pop of 6.5% in the first hour? As an exchange-traded fund ETF becomes a real possibility, many are wondering if XRP will ever hit one. Got us closer to the ETF by one step. To refresh your memory, I made a video last week specifically for this purpose. Among the most notable differences is the concept of an ETF. Eleanor Terra claims that the month of September is jam-packed with hearings on Capitol Hill. You shouldn't miss the one that the Financial Services GOP has scheduled for next Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern. The trust, in contrast, is exempt from the ETF's stringent clearance requirements. The SEC's politicized stance towards digital assets is currently under scrutiny, and no witnesses have been named. The situation is chaotic. Rumor has it that other SEC commissioners will be invited to testify with Gary Gensler when he appears the Hill at the end of the month, but it is not yet clear. As expected, we accomplished this yesterday, and the news that Robinhood is now listing XRP caused a modest increase in price of XRP. It is a wise move toward the advancement of this digital asset, albeit I am only seeing it in Europe at the moment. At the moment, derivatives are used to rate the financial institutions. Above everything, there is JP Morgan. Financial institutions including Goldman Sachs, Citibank, and Bank of America. This is something I'm sharing with you because I believe XRP will act as a worldwide reserve asset in the future, and I think it's important for you to know this. Who will be in charge of settling this type of money? Our best estimates place XRP's value in the trillions. It is possible to derive certain conclusions regarding digital assets by reviewing the remarks and publications of the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and other organizations such as the World Economic Forum. Knowing that the Bank of International Settlements is involved with the task force, Rippling takes a look at it. Could it really be any more explicit? Unfortunately, a lot of people are getting tired and weary of waiting. They won't seize this chance since it's too big for them to fathom. Looking closely at figures like this reveals that they are clearly trying to forewarn us of this impending and increasingly massive event. This is really happening. It has been decided to be skipped. In addition, we are cognizant of the fact that XRP is in a better position than any other digital asset on a worldwide scale to make this a reality. Hey there, Dark Defender says at this point. Fantastic breakout and retest were shown on the weekly RSI chart for XRP. In my opinion, the price is going to soar beyond 60 soon. By the week's end, we need to have surpassed 60. According to him, you can advance to the level boss for 66 cents within hours. We will say ciao and never see him again when the boss is eliminated, he informed us. Everything is set. Get me prepared. This must be attended to without delay. Looking at the Federal Reserve's remarks, actions, and potential 25 or 50 basis point decrease this week, one thing seems clear. Their goal is to forestall a recession, but they aren't being quite forthright about it at the moment. Assuring a soft landing is the objective. It is still up in the air whether or not we will go into recession, but they have the authority to turn on the money printer. It is widely believed that we are currently in one. Anyone gloomy about interest rate cuts is in for a nasty awakening. This market has the ability to release trillions of dollars worth of idle money, and they have unparalleled market moving skills. Some change is about to occur in the market. The Bitcoin sector is still in its infancy, so there is plenty of room for growth. But as the stock market does, so does the cryptocurrency market. The main difference is that the latter moves at a somewhat faster pace. Lots of room for maneuver exists in the cryptocurrency market for XRP and similar projects, which big investment managers have been monitoring for some time. Finally, I'd want to say a prayer for Donald Trump. Another assassination attempt happened in this region today. The individual, who was in possession of an AK-47, is supposedly in arrest. From what I understand, Kamala Harris has also voiced her relief that X is safe. You are aware that we are presently dwelling in this planet. Hi there, everyone. We are severely limited in our options for enhancing our financial status. At the same time as we're seeing market suppression, isn't that correct? The High Command is now taking control, and we may use the opportunity to profit from the expanding market and become financially independent. Additionally, I believe many will do it using XRP. We are quite grateful for the viewers' presence here. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. Until then, take care.